Okay, I believe it. Everything is filming, but as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna be getting into the nitty-gritty stuffs about Exela. Okay, I really want to cover this thing like a lot because we have been following, and it has been like one of our really old timer stocks, man. Like we have been following like from last, well, like when it was up here, well, like when we were making highs and all this stuff. We're not right now, unfortunately. Some people like are down 17K in their investment. Like as you saw, as I saw like right here a second ago, 17,500 dollars down. Shit, man, shit. And even the guy, there was a little promotion for the guy, but yeah, like there was, I believe he's Cash App or some shit. But yeah, like I'm gonna be like doing some fundamental, like we're gonna be browsing the Reddit a little bit. Then you're gonna be getting my technical analysis where I believe this is gonna go and all this stuff. Because lately we haven't correct about all the bearish movements in here. So yeah, if you want to be a part of it, like I'm just gonna click and read everything and let me know. Like I believe that this is the right time to actually like the video because there's gonna be a lot of free value in this video gained. So make sure you watch till the end because later the video you're gonna find everything that I'm looking at and everything is gonna fall into place. So let's get straight right here. Okay, there's something about the list of brokers that allow you to buy directly from lit exchanges. So unfortunately, you cannot buy from a normal exchange. I believe like how the thing was looking like. Like so, it looks like a reversal is coming, and that's great. Okay, but we should always remember that if we want the price to continue raising, we have to buy only from lit exchanges. Oh, so yeah. It does seem like that is crucial. Otherwise, our buying order will go through a dark pool, and we know what that means. Okay, some shit from Citadel. You already know what's going to be happening. So the guy states that um, if you want to average down on your own, if you want to average down, or are you new to this talk and you want to buy in cause the price is like it's so cheap, and it really is, make sure you buy only from lit exchanges. Otherwise, at some point, the market makes you pull the rug and the gains won't last long. Remember that if the price goes back to 30 cents and above, and 30 cents is approximately going to be right here. So there's nothing around 30 cents, man. Like only I can see some supply areas in here, but the reality is if I see a break about here is where I'm going to be looking for bullish movements. And that area is what? Let me just look at it from this perspective right here. Um, wait a second. Okay, let me just. Okay, here we have it, just like that. The high that I'm looking at is approximately 23 cents, so it's not that far away. So I'm not going to be making myself smart. And this is from inside all 7693. Yeah, huge shout out to the guy. To the guy. Even yesterday, there has been a huge amount of exchange volume, more than 71%, and that has to change. Many people are writing me because they don't know how to buy from lit exchanges after doing some research. Just here's a list of brokers that allow you to buy directly from the exchange, and those are Fidelity, TDM, Ameritrade, Schwab, Interactive Brokers, E-Trade, Merlin Edge, Merrill Edge, and Public.com. Please note that if you order to buy directly from the exchange with Fidelity, in like the brokers E-Trade, Ameritrade, and Schwab, you have to change your settings in order to enable direct routing from your orders. It's not automatic. So what does he state? Is that other platforms probably less known but do offer direct buying from the exchanges are Lightspeed, SpeedTrader, CMedge, CMedge, yeah, corporate trading, whilst brokers that do not allow you to buy directly exchanges, and it suggests you to dump our Robinhood, which is absolute bullshit, man. Webull, which I like. I mean, I kind of like. LA Financial, I don't even know about this thing. TradeStation, the Vanguard Group, I don't know why. But for European investors, okay, because I'm from Europe, so yeah, that's said. I'll also leave you a link to the link to read it below. It's important, like about this link. What I really wanted to mention is the following right here. The one guy that mentioned it, so huge shout out to that guy. Okay, he mentions that he name a stock under 25 cents that has gained Nasdaq compliance organically without a reverse split in the last year. Obviously, it's like Exela. But now, I believe it's the time so we can get into the technical analysis. So let's get straight into it. First of all, I'm going to be starting from the monthly. We can even go to the multiple months, man. Let me also go to the 4 month chart. Let's see what we get right here. 4 month chart. Again, a lot of data, man. Like, you even have data from 2015. The last data, like, first data that we got is from 1st of May 2014. So there's a lot of data. And unfortunately, from there, like, we have only have been falling down, right? And it does seem like this trend may continue now. Again, monthly time frame. So this is the all-time low that we made from the impulsive movement. We actually broke that even on the monthly time frame. So and it is at 25 cents. Now we're sitting at 10 cents. Let's go to the daily chart, and this is what we got. So this is still in a downtrend. As I stated, this could be a shift for you guys, like absolutely even for me, because I like how we open above it. And now it does seem like we're moving above without actually breaking the low right here. And for me, technically, we could definitely be bullish. This hasn't shifted for me, so no worries with that. So we technically could be bullish into some supply areas. Now we could also use the fixed range, which is a great tool to see where the volume is, which I don't like basically use. Now the volume is going to be here. Yeah, exactly. We do have some volume in here, so we could be moving into these supply areas like here. If you want to see some kind of consolidation, because we're still in a downtrend. So moves like this could generally be the case, and then continuation is lower. And I'm looking at zones like this, but this was already mitigated. You can see that, and also areas like this, which we could be bullish through. But also, like in our head, we also know that we're still bearish. For the thing to also like change all the structures, and for me to be confirming it to be bullish, and still may not be the case because we're in this bearish trend, man, is if we break this to about 23 cents above that line. But yeah, like we're gonna talk about this, but this is my prediction right now. If it breaks this high, like if it really breaks this high, I'm definitely looking for some moves to like right around here. And these are great moves you want to be a part of. Like I'm talking about moves like what 70 something percent in your investment. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. All my perspective, I'm still generally aiming for the low at 0.0. Cool. It's not even 9 cents. It's less than a cent, right? It's actually 9 cents, not 10, but 9 cents. Yeah. So we're gonna see how that's gonna turn out. Let me know what your thoughts about Exela. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye, and that's about it for today.